If you are still paying for expensive premium editing apps or software like CapCut, InShot, or VN Editor, etc. in this 2026, then you need to watch this video to the end and stop spending or wasting money on software or apps that you can literally get for free. We are in the period of AI. A lot of things people are paying for, or you people are paying for. Many people, or we are using it for free. But however, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best free editing app that I use to edit my video, add free caption, free transition, free animation, free sound effect, free background music. In fact, I'm seeing a lot. Every single necessary feature you see on CapCut, you see on InShot, you see on VN Editor are available on this editing app that I'm about to show you in this video. And guess what? It is 100% free. By the end of this video, I'm going to assure you 3 things. 1, you will stop paying for premium editing apps or software. 2, if you have already paid for any editing app or software, you will cancel the subscription immediately after watching this video. Number 3, you will have access to the best free editing app that has every necessary feature you see on CapCut, you see on VN Editor, or you see on InShot, and it is 100% free. But before we can continue with this video, hi and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, don't forget to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push this video to more people. Many people are looking for this video. They are looking for the free editing app. They are looking for the free caption software to make their video look unique. So don't be mean. Like and share this video with your friends. You can even share in groups where people are looking for this solution. Alright. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button right on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I hit upload on this platform, right? Not to procrastinate much of your time, like dive right in the Google Play Store. Once you are on the Google Play Store, make sure you tap the search bar and search for this app, Meta Edit app. Make sure you download the one that you are seeing on screen. Make sure the one you are seeing on screen. Once you open the app, these are some of my projects that I have already edited using the app. You can see a lot of my video I have edited on this app, right? This is the camera icon right here. Once you tap the camera icon, you can use the teleprompter. This is the teleprompter here. You can paste your script and place it where you want to place. You can be recording at the same time you are reading your video script. I'm doing the screen recording in the darkness, that's why you're not seeing me. Alright, you can also tap here to add audio to the video that you are recording. There are a lot of free royalty music that you can use. You can also save here. If you save any audio, you can tap here to see those audio that are trending, the original audio. You can also scroll. These are all the original audio that you can use for free. Actually, from any artist, the video down to any artist, you can use it for free. You can tap here to have access to the royalty free music that you can use in your project. Either way, you can tap here to import. You can extract audio from video. Maybe you have a video in your gallery, or you can import it from a file. After you have done that, you can still go back. You can also tap here to add a green screen, to have a green screen. Maybe you are doing a recording, you are recording a video, and maybe your background is not really good. You can use the green screen in the camera icon to do your recording. Okay, let me take you back. You can also tap here to see AG, the frame rate, the SDR. What best suits you is what you are going to select. Let's get back to the app. Now, once you are on the app here, you can tap new project. Either you can do the recording, or you tap gallery to bring the video that you want to edit. Very simple. You can only tap and hit the check mark, and the video will be uploaded to the app. Okay, now once you are on the app, you can tap your project. You can tap this icon. Let me tap one of my video so that we can do the editing on the video. All right, this is one of my video that I'm working on. Once you are here, you can come to new project. From here you can rename your project. You can either choose to turn off any of these: the snapping, the show frame, show guide, visual clip, audio clip, any of the ones that will be the best suit you. You're going to turn it off, or you can turn it on. Alright, you can also tab here to choose the quality, the resolution of your video: HD, 2K, 4K, the frame rate, 30, 60, 24. What best suit you is what you are going to choose. Right, once you are on the app now to edit the video, let me show you the various features that I use. Now here, let's first start with the audio. Once you tap the audio, like I was showing you previously, you can choose any of the sound effect music here that you can use. Right, royalty free, original, trending, anyone that best suits you, or you can import from your video in your gallery, or import it from a file. Alright, there go. Now this is the text area. If you add any tags, let me take for example good. Now once you tap it, you can definitely tap here. You're going to be given access to various templates that you can use for free. These are free templates that you can use. You can also tap here. These are various templates. It is not just limited to this. You can also tap here: sensation, simple, bold, retro, playful, handwriting. A lot of template that you can use for that project. You can also tab here to have access to various color that you can design that text without main text. You can also tab here. There are a lot of template: tab right, pop, zoom. These are the animation that you can use. You can also tab here. There are various templates that you can use to apply to that text. You can also tab here to choose anyone, the one that you prefer. Alright, let's get back. Okay, you can also come to the voice here. You can do a voiceover on the video. Maybe you have a screen recording, or you have some part that you want to do voiceover. You can tap the voice icon and turn on your microphone and begin to record your voiceover. Once you do, just click the chat man and you are good to go. You can also come, this is the caption area, right? You can tap the caption. Either you want to add caption to the video, or overlay, or audio. The caption is absolutely free. Now let me go to caption. Then you wait for a few minutes for the app to generate the caption. Now our caption is being generated perfectly and clean. Alright, you see this caption is generated. Now if you want to edit any of this caption, or you want to design it, you can place it anywhere you want to place. You're going to see the frame, right? You can place it anywhere. Alright, then once you tap on edit, you're going to have access to the full caption. Then from here you can scroll to edit the caption. If any wording was misspelled by the app, you're going to misplay it. You come to star. Once you come to star, like I previously show you, you can choose any of the star, any of the templates that you want to be applied to that caption. Let me try this. You see that? Okay, you see this auto star. It's going to apply it definitely. Alright, it's very super, right? You can choose any of these templates. Okay, it's going to be applied to your caption: sensational, simple, bold, ritual, playful, handwriting. You can also choose any template like I have shown you previously, and it will be applied to your caption, to this color. Alright, let's get back. Okay, once that is done, you can either choose to move your caption, right, or you can either choose to delete. Alright, let's get back. Now once you are here, you can come to adjust. This is the adjust tab. You can use brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, white, black to adjust your video so that it can best suit your need: exposure, saturation, vibrance, or you can either choose to reset the whole stuff. You can come to style, white balance, and the adjust tab. You can choose what best suits you. Alright, then we'll come to filter. This is the feature tab. You can choose any feature that best suits you. You can choose any feature that best suits you. You can also come to overlay. You can also choose from your video or from your gallery to be as overlay on your video. Alright, once you choose, you're going to have it. This is the sound effect. You can use any of these sound effect: transition, cinematics, action. My network is giving a bit problem, that's why they are not displaying. Comedy, reaction, game, alert, nature, background, mechanical. You can choose anyone that best suits you, or you can select. The reason why they are not displaying, my network is giving a bit hard time, and I'm doing this screen recording at the same time. Alright, you can also come here to cut out. You can also choose this port tab to remove the background of your video. You can use the custom tab, or you can use the auto and allow the app to do the magic. Okay, you can also come to sticker. There are a lot of sticker that you can use. Free sticker. You can also use the search bar to search for what you are looking for exactly. Maybe it is not available here. You can search for what you are looking for. Okay, once you are done that, once you type the video, you're going to be given various options. Either you can choose here to increase the volume or to decrease the volume. Just click apply to all and hit the check mark and you're good to go. You can also choose here to speed up your voice sound or to decrease. It all depends on you, how fast you want your videos to be, and hit the check mark. You can also come to effect. You can also there are a lot of effects available that you can use. You can also use here to split. If you want to split your video, you can also do that. You want to delete any part of your video, you can delete, filter, cut out. You can enhance your voice here. You can reduce noise. You can reduce, after you go to the voice enhance, you can reduce noise or enhance the audio here. You can enhance or reduce noise here. Just please make sure you apply to all. Alright, you can minimize. Okay, you can apply all those. You can crop your video here and choose the size, whether you want for it to be for TikTok, Hive, Instagram, YouTube. What best suits you is what you're going to choose. You're going to choose it to rotate. Alright, sure. Let's keep going. This app is very amazing. Especially, you can also, if you have any something on the timeline, you can choose to hide that stuff here. Like for this, you can hide this. Maybe you want to devolume, you can also choose to on high. Okay, once you tap, let me show you. You can also do max. You can do overlay. This is the masking tools here. You can max any object that you want to max in your video. Okay, you can also come to the opacity to reduce or to increase the opacity. Okay, you can also replace any object to replace it from your gallery. You can also choose to duplicate any object. All right, you can extract audio from maybe from your gallery or from the main track that you are editing. You can also go to audio effect. You can also add audio effect to your video. Let me delete this. Okay, let me tap the video. You can also choose to delete the audio effect so that your video can sound good. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. You can also reverse green screen. You can use the cut slot here. Okay, this is the redo and undo button right here. Okay, you can get this to play. Wait, I want to show you something. You see this video up here? It has gotten over 1,000 views on my channel, and in the video I show people the ultimate guide on how to download the InShot Pro for free. If you also want the InShot Pro to be added to this app so that you can make your project look unique, you can add it to your video very fun and clean, click the link in the comment to watch the video, or just click the video up here and continue, and you're going to download the InShot Pro for free and it will be added to this video and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. One love. Growth is the goal. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. One love. I love you.